Why is my Honeywell thermostat not turning on?
Hello there. Are you experiencing problems with your Honeywell thermostat not turning on? Don't worry, this is a common issue and in most cases, it can be resolved without professional help. Today, we're going to guide you through some key troubleshooting steps to help diagnose and hopefully fix your thermostat problem.
Is the thermostat properly powered?
The first thing you need to check is whether your thermostat is receiving power. This could be a simple issue of dead batteries or a problem with the power supply. 1. If your thermostat uses batteries, replace them and see if this resolves the issue. 2. If it's hardwired to your home's electrical system, ensure the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. If it has, reset it and check if the thermostat turns on.
Is the thermostat display working?
Sometimes, the issue may not be that the thermostat isn't turning on, but rather that the display is not working. In this case, the unit might be on, but the display isn't showing it. 1. Adjust the brightness settings. Sometimes, if the display is set to very low brightness, it can appear to be off. 2. If adjusting the brightness does not work, the thermostat screen might be damaged. In this case, you might need to replace the unit or contact a professional.
Is the wiring intact?
A thermostat that doesn't turn on could be due to faulty or loose wiring. If you feel comfortable doing so, you can remove the faceplate of the thermostat and check the wires. 1. Ensure all wires are firmly connected to their appropriate terminals. 2. Look for any signs of damage, like fraying or corrosion. Warning: always be careful when dealing with wiring. If you're not comfortable, it's best to call a professional.
Is the thermostat set correctly?
Sometimes, the issue may simply be that the thermostat settings are incorrect. 1. Check to ensure that the thermostat is set to heat or cool and not turned off. 2. Ensure the set temperature is lower than the room temperature for cooling, or higher for heating. Hopefully, these troubleshooting steps have helped you understand why your Honeywell thermostat is not turning on and how to fix it. Remember, if these steps do not resolve your issue or if you're not comfortable doing them, it's always best to contact a professional. Thank you for watching, and we hope your thermostat will be back up and running soon.